attractive. Okay, we're on. There's some things you need to know. I think one of the Inuit workers made it, but others were taken. Some panicked and got lost. I ran, and when I stopped, I was on my own. Oh, and another symptom is déjà vu. Still seeing a few life signs in the residential quarter. You need to find a survivor and get through into the library. Oh, and look out for our medical guy, Richard Eminis. He was acting strangely when I last saw him. Can you hear me?
What else don't you know?
I think the transmission's only one way. I've got a webcam. Pull a silly face if you can hear me. Oh, very attractive. Okay, we're on. There's some things you need to know.
I just wanted to give you a word of advice. Those creepy artifacts, we don't know how they work. Or even what they do, I suppose. I saw someone get too close to one once. You probably don't want to know. I'm sure you'll be fine. Probably. I hope. By the way, if you happen to find yourself in my neck of the woods, I'm kind of trapped. It's no big deal, really. Just throwing it out there. You came. I guess I didn't really expect you to bother. My lab partner's such a pessimist. Was such a pessimist.
Hello?
It kind of rubbed
Can you
off
hear
on
me?
me. He tried
Hello?
to make it through
Can
to
you
me
hear me?
not too long
Hello?
ago.
Can you hear
It's
me?
a bit late for the
Hello?
party.
Can you hear
You'll
me?
have to make a quick
Hello?
detour over the
Hello?
surface next.
Hello?
But be careful. If the
Hello?
cold doesn't kill you,
Hello?
well,
Hello?
let's just
Hello?
say I didn't pick
Hello?
the safest of
Can you hear
locales
me?
for my
Hello?
last-ditch survival
Can you hear
attempt.
me?
Okay,
Hello?
good news.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Good news.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Oh, yeah.
Can you hear me? Hello?
I think
Can you
I
hear
got
me?
a cure.
Hello?
Well,
Hello? Hello?
it's
Hello?
not really what you call
Hello?
a cure,
Hello?
cure.
Can you hear me?
Enough to help you. I don't think I'm infected. I'm careful, but I guess if you come rescue me and I'm looking at you like you're a roast chicken, I got it wrong. Sorry. That probably wasn't fun, was it? No, I suppose not. Wow. I hope to see you soon.
You know, you turning up here is probably the second best thing to happen to me since I've been down here. I'm reserving the first place for when we get out. So, I'm not big-headed enough to think you came all the way here just to rescue me.
Did you say something? Look. The only chance we have is a man called Howard. He said he'd found a solution to the virus. His vitals last registered in the library, but only members of the organization have access.